Sorry about that. This is the interface of PixelLab. Yours might not be this color, but just know it's the same color. So we just go straight to what we have. So this is where this tool now, this place is where you press when you want to press the second page. You see, say okay, that's adding a new page for you. Now this my project is where you save the project. When you want to save it. I know my project is already saved. It should be done. Now this thing is just create sizes. You want to change the size of the image. For example, when you want to change the size of the other cameras now you want to use the glass. You can still change image size from when you want to put let's just go back to I want you to use the block, not block, but graphic. Okay, this is shapes now. You can get your shapes from here. You can get your shapes. Get your shapes from here. Shapes. Like this is the easy shapes now. So that's how you do it. So shapes like this one, you have to show the dark. Okay, now let's just look at my shape. Because this is using the size. Now let's go back to now you can delete, you know what to do. You can delete, but you can also get back what you deleted from here. Just like that's how to get back what you deleted from. You can copy the text, delete, get back what you deleted, copy the text, okay, now let's check something out. Let's go back. You can save this image. You can even save this. Let's go back to shape first. That's what you should do. That is now this is when you have a size. Remember that this is size of the shape. One part of the shape is one part of the text is cut. You can just use this to bring it out to get bring out that side by the end that is cut. Forgive my voice. Yeah, forgive my voice. I have cancer. But yeah. So color. You want to give your text color. Let's just simply it. Texture. You want to give your text a texture. When you press on texture, it will come out like this. Press on this gallery. Let's say we want to give it this texture. You see? Yes, it came out with. Now let's delete that texture. I'll have to save this so it's not be too long. We'll continue from where we just started. Welcome back, great minds. Welcome back. Now let's just continue from where we stopped to stop that texture. So over to opacity. Opacity is just we want to reduce the visibility of the text or increase it. This is what opacity is for. Now rotate your texts. Yeah, this is what it's for. Can rotate your text. Then max. This is maybe once you cut out the part you don't need. You want to max this into a shape. Mainly, I use that to max into situation. And when you understand this max better, we start working. Then fonts. You want to change the font where you're using. Have you select style? You want it to be bold. You want it to be italicized. And you want it to be underlined. When you press it, everything changes back to how it was. Do you get bold, italicized, underlined? Everything goes back. Depends on how you want it. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Yeah. Now, cover your text and do it. When you see people design something nice, physical like this, that's what you use to make it come. You want to give your text a background color. This is it. This is it. Now, alignment. Let me say, okay. Oh, this is it. You want to align this text. You want to align it. Middle alignment, right alignment, left alignment. This is a justify. Now, we want to space it. This is out. You can use this. We want to space in between. You can still use this. Now, I want to give your text stroke. Increase the stroke width. Change the color of the stroke. This is just simple. That it's used. Shadow. I want to give your text a shadow under. This is it. You can change the color. Say depends on you. Inner shadow. This one is for inside the text. You can emboss. Don't worry, we're still looking into this emboss and perspective very well. I just want you to understand the basic ones to be using for now. This is reflection. You want to reflect your text on get. Now, I just want you to understand the basic ones to be using. Now, you can get your shape from here. You can still import from gallery. You can still import from using this. You can still get from here. It's the same thing. So most of them are the same. Those two, the shape, text, you can still get it from here, or you can get them from here. Don't worry, I just don't want this video to be too long. See, I've done 2 videos already. Yeah, the tools are so much, but as we continue, you will understand. But these are the main ones you should be using for now. Yes, very important. Just you do me a favor by watching this over and over again and understand that you can do it. You have a great mind. What you just need to do is give yourself to it, be disciplined, and of course, the next let's say celebrity designer, it's you. Okay, see you in the next video.